Boy, Jordan Evans, I don't know if he thought they were playing two-hand touch or what, but he didn't get him down. He didn't get him out of bounds. And the Steelers with an interesting celebration of a 35-yard touchdown.
Bell did it to him in Pittsburgh. Just a simple check down. He catches the ball. He comes out of the backfield, and he's in bounds.
Yeah, he is in bounds. And what kind of a tackle is that by Jordan Evans?
Not good. Backup player. Clearly
William Jackson there as well, just a bystander.
Only thing is, did they hear a whistle? I don't believe they did.
But what is Jackson doing?
No idea. No idea.